Welcome to the financial forecast chart of the day. Today we're going to analyze Jd. Let's go to start to analyze this instrument, and we can see in the daily time frame that since the peak in approx 50.83 we have a 3 waves decline. This sequence is shown with the blue lines already are finished, and we have a relationship with an extension of the third wave based on the length of the first one. So this means that we have the first wave with length 1, the third wave is 1.618 times the length of wave 1. That's why we're saying that this is an extension. So we have a 3-wave sequence with the third developed as an extension. And since there we have a bounce up, quite choppy and overlapped, that is moving to the attractor inside the dotted lines. These dotted lines are showing us the high probability area for the end of a corrective wave in an incomplete bearish sequence. So let's go to explain that. We have the first sequence to the downside, and now we are correcting that sequence. This area marked with the dotted line is the high probability area where ideally should be ending the corrective wave of the previous one. This as corrective of the previous one. In that case, the sequence is incomplete and we need to see another movement to the downside. Two new lows. So why is this area so important? Because it's increasing the probability of seeing new lows if we have some exhaustion of the current movement in this area. This is the ideal area where should be ending a corrective wave. If this is not happening, we should be continuing moving inside this non-trend zone for the daily time frame between 21.08 to 43.35. So we can say now Jd is in non-trend zone, moving in the area for a high probability distribution for corrective sequence. So in this case, what could be happening then with Jd? Continue developing movements to the upside is keeps above 21.08, ideally looking for the attractor in the ideal zone marked by the dotted lines. Here we should be seeing the reaction to the downside, and if we confirm really the bearish sequence, a break of 21.08 moving to the first attractor, put it here, and if not, moving to the second attractor. First attractor is located in 19.15 to 17.28, and the second attractor, if we see there is a strength in the movement to the downside, is located between 13.42 to 7.32. If we break 43.35, then bulls are back, developing or confirming a higher degree bullish sequence that is going to take Jd in the long term to 62.31 to 79.80. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Until the next time.